Hello everyone. So this call is now recording. We have started the recording, and then this is course for the ETL testing, which is like software testing using database, using database and then Informatica tool, basic of manual testing, agile methodology, ALM, project explanation, everything will be there. So we'll explain you step by step. But many of you have interacted with Vishal or me, but like you will be not knowing my profile, like how many years of experience I have, and I'm from where, which place, and who are the persons who will help you throughout the course to clear your doubt, to for the group discussion, for the mock interviews and all, everything. Okay, so myself Jayant, myself full name is Jayant Kumar. You can call me Jay. Okay. I'm having 11 years of experience in IT. I have joined 11 years back, and then for mostly in 11 years, I worked on the ETL testing project and manual testing. Like manual testing 1 year only, but rest 10 years I worked on the ETL testing only, and I have attended many interviews. Okay, I have attended many interviews based on my experience, work experience, interview experience, personal experience, all included with the suggestion of the friend and all. I have designed this course to give you the proper training. And if you'll prepare full syllabus of this, 100% questions will be asked from this only. There will be no out of syllabus question. All questions are going, they are going to ask you from this only. Whether you are with the 5 years of experience or if you are going to show 10 years of ETL experience, each and everything will be from this syllabus only. This syllabus only. Okay, so whatever the syllabus I have prepared from this syllabus only, you will have the. Let me see who messaged. Hi Jay, how about Selenium, Core, Java, and API testing? Are these topics not included in the agenda? We'll discuss that. Automation part we'll discuss separately. Okay, so this is about me, and I'm staying in Bangalore, and I'm working in the Bangalore company. So I worked with the multiple companies like UST Global, Deloitte Technologies. I worked with the other company too, where NetApp and Dell Technologies. Currently, I'm working with the IBM company. So this is about me, and management part, Bisal will help you. Okay, so management part like getting access for the course, or like fees related problem, or like you want to join new batch or any other batch you want to join. So those are the things Bisal will take care. And then we have one more person, like he was my student only, and then I pulled him because he was having very good knowledge and he got offers, and he's working in one of the companies. So I pulled him for the technical help. Like people are asking so many doubts, so many installation problem will be there, and the doubt clearance sessions will be there, mock interviews will be there, group discussions will be there. So I pulled him from my knowledge, and then I told him to support me for this. So Venkatesh will help you. Venkatesh will also help you on the, these are the things, you clear your doubt, group discussion, mock interviews. With me, I'll be also taking care of all these things. I'll be also taking care of all these things, as well as Venkatesh also will be my helping hand. You can say that he'll be my helping hand. So both of the people, I believe you have joined the call. So software installation and all, Vishal and Venkatesh will help you both together. And overall, we'll make sure that you get the good knowledge and you get placed into the IT company. Okay. You get placed into the IT company. So this is about me and my team, and then things. So step by step, I prepared nicely these things to explain you what we are going to learn and what we are going to how we are going to get success. So what is ETL testing? Many of you have you will have doubt, like you may heard first time what is ETL testing. Okay, what is ETL testing? So ETL testing is nothing but ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. I'm not going to teach you in detail, but I'm just giving you overview what is ETL testing. So it's a kind of manual, upgraded versions of manual testing. In manual testing, you are going to do validation manually. Like you'll do the web browser, you'll open the web browser and all. You will create 500 test case, 1,000 test case, and then you will do the validations to the web browser. So it will be kindly completely manually. So you'll be not involved in anything technically there in a manual testing. But in ETL testing, you are going to validate the business data. Business data in the sense what? The bank, if you are having any bank account, like consider that if HDFC Bank is there, and consider HDFC Bank is having 1,000 branch all over India. 1,000 branch daily, it will be generating some data. Consider 1,000 branch, and it is generating 10 lakhs of data every day. So those data, definitely the HDFC Bank will want to save those somewhere in the database, or permanently they want to save it, so that like after 10 years also, if you want to get your bank statement from like last year or this year 2023 bank statement you want in 2033, after 10 years you want today this year's bank statement, so they'll be able to give you from this. So what they will do, they will create the structure of the data warehouse, which where they will store your data, they will process your data, and they will apply all the transformation logic and all, whatever the business rules and all they want, how they want their data to be loaded into the database. They will apply all these rules, and then it will be loaded to the final database, where it will have all history data will be there, like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years from the starting of the company. All the data will be stored there. So there, our job will be to validate when the data will process from the multiple branches of the HDFC Bank to middle layer for the correction of the data, for the modification of the data, for the purification of the data, and then it will be moved to the final database where your data, history data will be stored. So all these layers, ETL testers' job will be there to validate the data, whether these data are valid or not. It's loading according to the customer requirement or not. Developers will do the development activity, and same thing you are going to check that whether developers have has done a proper coding or not, and as per the requirement the data is getting loaded from one layer to another layer or not. So that is the ETL testing job, and it's a very like very frequent job. You will get many openings on this because it's a customer data, correct? Like it's a business data. If you take banking domain, whatever the banking you have worldwide, consider 5,000 bank is there. If you have retail company, 5,000 retail companies are there, like Big Bazaar, Reliance Press, H&M, IKEA, whatever the things you take, whatever the clothing company, whatever the retail shop and all, if they have 100 more than 100 branches and all, they have to store their data into the database to generate the report, like so that they'll be able to compare end of the year or end of the month how much sales they have done, how much profit they have generated, all these things they'll be able to do it. So it's a business data where you are going to validate those data, and customer is going to apply, customer is going to invest on this millions or billions of dollars, so that they'll be able to take the report how much progress their business is doing, how much improvement month by month, year by year, they are able to do it. So banking domain, insurance domain, retail domain, finance domain, whatever the domain you take. So all the domain where like they'll have more employees are there, more stores are there, more online apps are there, Big Bazaar, Big Basket, or your Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, whatever the app you take, any hospitality app is there, anything is there. So those the date they want to save their data, so that like they'll be able to take the proper report, they'll be able to generate the proper report, like telecom company also. All this well, like what are the scope will be the banking domain, okay, then online shopping, insurance company, retail company, telecom company, stock market, everywhere scope will be there for the ETL testing. Okay, so I give you one example of banking domain, how the data will be loaded from one layer to another layer and to the third layer, and then you are going to validate in between that whether the data is loading properly into this and all, so that like in the final layer the proper data will be loaded, and then from here they'll be able to generate the report to check how their business are doing. So all these things we are going to see here. Next part is that why I mean to say that why you should go if you are a manual tester, or if you are having difficulties in writing a coding, or if you're having the gap like 10 years, 15 years, 2 years, 5 years, gap is there. And why you need to go for the ETL testing here first time. Why I mean to say, because ETL testing is easy to learn. ETL testing is easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and easy to survive in industry. So when you like easy to learn because it's SQL based technology. So it's very easy to learn, very easy to learn. And then syllabus is also very less. Syllabus is also very less. If you'll prepare full syllabus of ETL testing, whatever I'll give you, your job is pakka guaranteed. You will get it. You will get it. There is no problem. You will be able to answer all the 100% questions. There is no worries in that. So like 14 years of experience in manual testing he was working, and he came to me that, Jayant, you have less experience than me, you are junior than me, how you're going to help me to get a good package? Because he was having 14 years of experience in one of the big company, and he was working in the manual testing. He was and he was having package of 13 lakhs only, 13 so he told, I want to increase my package, how you're going to help me? So I told, join, I will try to help you. Okay, so he joined, and then he put effort, he really put effort. Then he got like 1.5 months later, he started attending the interview. He got 3 offer letters. So 14 years of experience with my same syllabus. I'm not bluffing. If you want, I can share you the offer letter also for him. Definitely, I'll be sharing you the offer letter for him, and you can check that. Okay, how it is. Like it's a matter of 6 months back, I guess, 5 months or 6 months back. Okay, it's not recent. It's a 6 month back, and he got 3 offer letter, 26 lakhs, 24 lakhs, and same company retained him for 23 lakhs. Okay, so whatever the story I'm saying, whatever the things I'm saying, it's all true here. No bluff, no cheating, nothing either. Whether you come or you don't come, you attend the classes or you don't register, or you registered here, I don't care. I am already working in one of the good company, and I'm getting good salary. But my work is to give you the good knowledge, and based on that knowledge, get you a job. See, these are the things I'm doing from the past 7 8 years. Okay, I'm helping many people to get the job, and this, when you'll get the offer letter, no, it will give me pleasure, it will give me a happiness. So that's why I'm doing this, and it's like my passion also, you can say that. In my engineering time, when I was in the second year, I started teaching student like ninth standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard, like physics, math, chemistry, and all. Science and math I was teaching that time. So from that time only the passion increased, and then I keep continue teaching the people. So that is what I'm here. So you have to give your 100%. Don't worry on that. ETL testing easy to learn, easy to crack interview, easy to survive. But manual testing is also easy. Manual testing is also easy, but there is very few openings in manual testing. You will not get openings in manual testing only. Okay, so and that is what. But ETL testing, you have lots of opening because it's a business data based technology. So business data, when business data nowadays after COVID, data and online data generations are used. So everyone need like to modify their structure, and then you will be able to get it. All these things are there. If you'll go for automation testing, if you'll go for automation testing or any development kind of things, Informatica development, or you go DevOps, or you go any kind of course in the automation things or development things, it will be so difficult to learn. Okay, if you're learning first time, or if you're going from like working 2 3 years 4 years in manual testing, and you are trying to learn automation, DevOps, and all these things, it is not a cup of tea. Correct, like it's very difficult to learn. First of all, 5 6 months it will eat your 5 to 6 months to learn the automation. Cracking interview is a nightmare. You will not able to crack it because it's you are going to learn Java's applications and all. It will be so difficult. Okay, and surviving also will be very difficult. But no matter, you'll get the good package. Same package you will get. How much you'll package you'll get here, as well as the automation. But your like life will be hell here. Okay, if you go in a development or the automation. But if you'll go in ETL testing, definitely you're going to get a good package with a good experience. You'll be able to survive in industry, and you'll have the proper help. If you'll get selected in any company, and you're working on any project, and you will be struggling there, call me, message me, we'll help you in that case also. So that is what the things are there. So Selenium, Java, as I told you, 4 to 6 months it will take you to learn. Java is very complex. You ask anyone IT engineer, what is the level of Java? They will say you that forgive me, I don't want to talk about that. It's very difficult. Okay, not easy to survive in a Java Selenium job. When you will be working on this part, no, it's so difficult to survive here. Okay, And ETL testing now, cloud also coming into picture. Okay, so cloud also coming in picture. So we are going to get that also. Now, these are the things for the your third point. So hope so it's clear. I'll give you the time to ask your question. Once we'll explain this one, and then we'll try to answer all the question of yours. Okay, but believe me, here no one will no one will cheat you, no one will tell you the lies, all correct things, all the related things only it will be there. And there is no proxy, there is no backdoor, there is no false commitment here. Only whatever the effort you will pay here, and based on that only you are going to get the job. And if you learn full course here, then only you are going to survive in the company. If you'll go for proxy, or if you'll go for backdoor, definitely you're not going to survive in a company. You will have spend 2 lakhs 3 lakhs on the proxy and the backdoor, and within 1 month you will come out. So many people are there with me, like every day I'm getting example of those things. I am telling, like backdoor and proxy, there no support, because the moment when I'll say these are the things, people will stop preparing the syllabus only, and in 1 month 2 months they will eat my head, I will lost my 2 lakhs 3 lakhs, like that they will tell. So I am not involving in proxy in backdoor. Okay, now a scope for ETL testing is very good because it's a business data based technology, and cloud also coming. Earlier what they were doing, companies were storing their data into the database, like traditional database. But nowadays, what they are doing, they are moving their data from to cloud to store their data. They are using clouds and all, Azure, AWS, GCP, and all. So that is very good scope of ETL testing and good package also. And next one, I'm saying that 100% of job guaranteed. On what basis I'm saying 100% of job guaranteed? So you have to follow certain things, whatever the things I'll say you, you have to follow certain things to get you 100% job guaranteed. Okay, so you have to follow my instruction. First of all, you have to follow my instruction, and you have to give your 100% effort honestly and seriously. 100% effort honestly and seriously. I can bet you, if you learn full syllabus, definitely you're going to crack the interview. And 100% questions will be asked from my syllabus only. Whatever the ETL testing syllabus I prepared, from that only they are going to ask you the syllabus. Follow my instruction, give me mock on SQL or the full syllabus, and 100% give 100% honest effort honestly, seriously, and take your offer letter after 1.5 months. Okay, 1 month course duration, 15 days it will take you to crack the interview, and take your offer letter within 1.5 month. 1.5 month. Take your offer letter in 1.5 month. Okay, so like that I follow. So this is the weekend class, guys. This is weekend class. So classes will be there on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will have the class. So Friday it will be 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. Saturday, Sunday 2 hours, and Sunday also 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. So total will have so 5.5 hours, 5.5 hours, 5.5 hours into 5. So it will be approximately 28 hours of class. 28 hours of class will be there, which will be able to complete in 1 month to 35 days. 1 month to 35 days. 1 week plus minus, you can say. Okay. 1 month, 1 week plus minus, you can say. Only 5 week 5 weeks, I mean to say 5 weeks time only we need. Okay, if we'll not take any leave and all, so it will be 5 weeks confirmly. Okay, now class recordings and the daily class notes will be shared. So how will I share it? Through the Google Drive. Through the Google Drive. Through the Google Drive, I'll share all this in class recording and the class notes. Like in what format I'll share? If you'll see here, this is my 31st batch. This is my 31st batch. And if you'll see my Google Drive, so I have 200 GB of memory space. Then you'll able to see that batch 21, batch 16, batch 17, batch 18, batch 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Any batch you take, and you see here, what are the folders are there. So SQL folder, then your ALM, Agile methodology, data warehouse, Informatica, manual testing, project explanation, test strategy, test case, test summary, how you're going to prepare, test case, test strategy, test summary, Unix command, all these things are there. So if you'll go in SQL, so the SQL is very important for this. Your 50 to 60% of interview will depend on the SQL knowledge only. Okay. So I'll teach you from the scratch A to Z. I'll teach you, like, if you don't know how to write SQL queries, don't worry. I'll teach you in the class, and after class, me and Banktes will help you to write your query in your database. You'll install the database, and we'll help you to write your query in the database for the practice purpose. So don't worry on that. So like this, if you'll see, these are the sessions are there for the SQL and all. So if you'll see the document, now if you'll see this is the document. Or like this, I'll provide you the document where, like, you'll have how many pages are there in this document. Now see here, 76 pages are there, one of 76 pages. Now if you'll see here, the black color, 76 pages of document I'll provide you. Then we'll have interview papers, and important interview questions will be there. Like if you see here, scenario based question. Okay, so I'll give you these questions once we'll complete 80% of your SQL syllabus for practice purpose only. So how many questions are there? 233 scenario based questions are there. 233 scenario based questions are there. So for practice purpose, and what are the questions they are going to ask you in interview? In important questions, those questions are also there. Those questions also there. So you don't have to worry on anything. You just have to put effort, and what are the questions companies are going to ask. So like this, I'll be providing you all the details. Okay. So time by time, if you'll have any doubt and all, you can call me, you can message me, or you can call, or you can message Banktes. So he'll help you. We both will technically will help you. I'll be the head. I'll be teaching you all the concept. But if you want help from Banktes is basically from Karnataka. He know all the language, South Indian knowledge. He know Hindi and all everything. So if you whatever the language you are comfortable, you can talk to him. So like this. So this is what the SQL data warehouse concept. Again, you will have the recording and the document, and the Informatica and all. You will have same thing. Manual testing. You will have again recording and the document. The day by day when I'll take the classes, I'll prepare one batch for batch 31, and will upload accordingly here all these things. Batch 31 ETL testing. So like this, and we'll create all the folder for SQL and all. I'll be sharing you the recordings and all. So document and the class recording and the class document will be shared after each and every class. So don't worry on that. Next part is where we are. Okay, so mock interviews will be taken. So if you prepare full SQL, you can give me mock. If you prepare full syllabus, you can give me mock, me or Venkatesh, anyone. If you to whoever you want to give the mock, you can give, and we'll have. Okay, full syllabus. You can give mock after completing of SQL full syllabus and all. So this is weekend class, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, evening 8 to 9:30 on Friday, and you will have 7:30 to 9:30 on Saturday and Sunday. And it's a weekend evening class, guys. Weekend evening class. Okay. Now, group discussion. Okay, so group discussion will happen after completion of 2 weeks of syllabus. We'll start the group discussion. So group discussions are very important, guys. So when you'll discuss your point, whatever the point I'll teach you in the class, if you will discuss through group discussion, I got many feedback from the successful student who got offer letter, 1 or 2, 3 offer letter. Combinedly, they are saying that group discussions are very, very, very important. If you're missing the group discussion, means you're missing the chance of getting job faster. If you want fast job, attend the group discussion. Whatever the questions will be asked in the group discussion, do proper group discussion and do your preparation perfectly. And you don't have to depend on anything, everything on me. You will get the class recording and all these things. Then once you prepare full syllabus, I'll give you the access for the resume folder. So resume folder. Okay. The resume folder as well as interview preparation, how to prepare resume, how to upload into the naukri.com, what are the roles and responsibility you have to tell in interview, what are the project explanations you have to do for in the interview, everything is there. Now 6+ years, 5 years plus, all these are resume preparation, resume formats. Simple resumes will be there. Now if you see here, resume preparation sessions, Naukri profile updation, time by time I'm taking all these things. Okay. So you don't have to dependent all the times, sir, give me, give me, give me. I'll give you access. You will have the things for the 1 or 2 years next. You will have access of the all these things. So this is what our this thing. So again, I mean to say that training fees are 10K, 10,000. Okay. So full training fees are 10,000. But many people, they have requested that they have lost their job and all these things. So earlier, 1 or 2 batch before, I was not decreasing the fees. But I like, like many people lost their job, and then many people are out of job. Many people are not doing job. Many people are dependent on the, parents' money. So for that only, I'm just making it for 8K. Okay. 8K is very less compared to market. You will not get any training which will give you the all these benefits, like your group discussion, your mock interviews, class recordings, all the support. If how to explain interview, how to explain roles and responsibility, project explanations. Once you'll get into project, there also support will be there. Many people, they are calling me, sir, please support me in this case. So I'm just supporting for them also. So don't worry on that. Each and every support will be there. Once you connected with me, after, once you have connected with me, so you are going to get the proper support from me, from me. And it is not just for 1 month of relationship. You ping me after 1 year also, I'll be able to remember you. So don't worry on that. So I just decreased it to 8K, and I first tomorrow and day after tomorrow classes will be free. So Sunday class will be not free, and then you have to clear your fees to attend the Sunday classes. Okay. And docs charges, I told you 15K. Okay. So all these things support will be there. So now we are open for the question and answer session. You can ask your question if you have any question. But just a second. Okay, we are open for the question and answer. Please tell me. Yeah, someone asked me, Namita, hi sir, you explain manual testing or agile math process. We'll explain you full. Whatever the things are there to place you in a company, we'll explain you all these things. We'll explain you all these things. Okay.
Do you mean you're going to explain about testing as well?
Testing means manual testing basics. I'll teach you for the ETL testing requirement. Whatever the for ETL testing interview, what are the topics will be there, we'll explain you that one.
Like, can you give me example?
Like RTM document, your software testing life cycle, what are the different types of bugs will be there, what are the defect life cycle, all these things will explain you. What is testing?
So you're going to cover this plus your ETL concepts over the next 5 weekends. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. ETL testing will be perfectly on the 5 weekend, and these are the things will be extra, which I'll take after 5 weeks. But I'll provide you the recording for the manual testing and agile methodology in between if you want to prepare faster. But after 5 weeks, I'll take your manual testing basic, which required for the ETL testing and agile process. It's a half-an-hour job only. No.
So just to give you my background, my name is Sayyad. I'm already working as a Scrum Master. I've already worked with emphasis for ETL migration. That was, from Teradata to Google Cloud, GCP. So I'm here to, get deep insights into how ETL works, because these days people are looking for more like into techno-functional roles. So they're not looking for core Scrum Masters. They're looking for Scrum Masters with technical, dependencies as well. So that is why I want to join your session. I don't want to take much of your time. So what I would request is probably I've joined a bit late today, but I want to see one of your live classes, maybe tomorrow or day after, whenever you're scheduling that. Yeah, and then we take it forward from there.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
First classes are free. Means till Saturday, you have free classes.
All right, thank you.
Paid classes.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you.
Jay, it's similar here. Even I am having more than exactly 17 years of testing. I worked
17
with
years of testing experience.
Yeah, I started immediately after the graduation. I started as a tester. I joined a developer, But 2004 there was a recession, right? 2003. So they put me in a testing project, which was simple visual basic project. From there I continued, but only 6 months or 7 months I worked in India. Later I worked in abroad only. I settled. But if you take classes like manual testing, RTM and others, as Sayed mentioned, even I worked as Scrum Master. Even I worked as a team lead also. But I'm interested mainly in the SQL and ETL testing, not this one.
SQL
How
and
to
ETL,
proceed?
see, SQL is the 70% classes, 60 to 70% classes will cover for the SQL from the basics to the complex level. Okay, so
Yeah.
whatever the question they will ask you in interview, those everything I'll cover in the session only. So we'll take from the A and we'll reach till the Z.
Yeah, but when you will start the SQL and
Tomorrow
ETL
evening,
instead of just starting with what is testing?
tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening, we'll start SQL. From the SQL, we'll start. Once SQL will be over, then we'll go for data warehouse, then Informatica, then your project explanation, then resume preparation, how to prepare resume on ETL testing, and what are the roles and responsibility you have to tell. And then we are going to discuss manual testing, agile methodology, and ALM part you will be knowing only. Okay, all this.
Yeah, Agile, ALM, how to prepare CV and others, that I don't need, to be honest. Because in India and abroad, it is totally different, the market,
No,
what
but
they
like
are looking.
it's for all the people, like you will be
Yeah. No,
other
I'm not
people.
saying for me only, not for others.
Mhm.
So then if you're starting with directly ETL and others, that is fine. But if you're
Tomorrow,
explaining, okay.
tomorrow SQL we are going to start. First session will be on SQL. We'll teach you from the history of SQL, and then we'll go first how to write the first query in SQL. I'll tell you how to install the software in your things, and if you don't want to install the software in your PC, or if you have Office PC and all, you can practice in online SQL also. So I'll tell you all these things tomorrow. From the starting of the tomorrow, we'll have the proper session. So this is just to introduce how we are going to get into the our syllabus. That's why I took this session starting, like before, like many people will have the questions like how we are going to cover all these things. Correct. So for that only I'm doing this one. Okay. I hope Mahesh and Syed, you both are clear. So
Yes, true.
yeah. Because 17 years of experience really matters for me, and like I'll be I'll be very happy if we'll be able to connect for the
But
next. Yeah,
out of
so,
17, 16 and a half, I worked in UK and USA only.
oh my god, it's like super, like it will be great experience if you'll be joining continuously the sessions and all, because
No, but it is mainly in abroad. They take more on the product knowledge instead of what you are there. So they
hmm.
don't mind 2 years some product experience. They won't compare. So to be honest, I'll not get a job in India with my experience. Only USA, UK, I guess I'll work because
So
they don't
now
mind number of experience.
So now you worked on the manual testing and product and all only, or you have worked
Yeah,
on,
it is a company's products, different companies. I work as a
and you want to
contractor.
move to ETL testing now to add
Yeah,
on.
just to add some experience. Now, as you mentioned, the banking people, they are asking some Informatica. It is not that it is a mandatory, but if it is
Hmm.
there, the chances of getting interview is more.
Yeah,
Like
definitely, because
ETL
it's like
testing, then
business data,
Informatica,
no?
all those things.
All each and every company they follow ETL testing. That's correct. That's correct. That's what I told you. 14 years of experience. He was having very less package in India. So it was good achievement for me, and you people like is having very high experience, and it will be again very good experience with me. Like, see, one of the student he joined, like he told, he's 50 years old, and he's having some 18, 19 years of experience, but he left the job 1 year back. He lost the job, and then like 50 years old, like he told, like, how will you help me? Like I told, like, you join here, but still we didn't he's like course is going on, so let's see that how we are going to help him as well. So it's like a very good it will be very good experience when we'll interact together in the class in the regular session. Okay. So next question, anyone else is having any other questions, guys?
Hi Jay, I'm Priya this side.
Yeah, Priya, tell me, Priya.
So my question is like tomorrow or in the next class. So will you be sharing the contents of the course so that we will get an idea? So in the
Today
notepad
only.
that you are sharing,
Today
in the
only
note.
we'll do the discussion another 10 minutes, 7 to 8, 10 minutes, and then we'll discuss the syllabus today only. And syllabus will take maybe 10 minutes more. So you can consider 9:15 up to 9:15. We'll have the syllabus discussion as well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. So that like we can start tomorrow directly from the course. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Bhargav. Yeah. Durga, you have any question, Durga?
How many projects you will cover in this training?
How many
Or you can
projects?
discuss? Yes, sir.
Durga, your voice is not clear. Can you please tell properly? Hey, Durga, I cannot
How
hear.
many projects we will cover on this training?
See, that project will be covered one only, but 4 scenario I'll teach you. 4 scenario I'll teach you, and same thing you have to explain. Same thing, like if we will tell first scenario, you have to tell in interview first scenario. So they will ask you the second scenario. In some of the interview, they ask second scenario, third scenario, fourth scenario, all possible scenario in ETL testing, how you're going to do that, everything I'm going to teach. So if I'll teach you 2 project, 3 project, it is not going to help you. But one project properly, I'll teach you, same thing you're going to tell in these things. And like that only works in this one. Like if I'll tell you the project part, here, are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, yes.
So we have so many projects are there. Banking domain project, Dell. I worked in one of the company, and then H&M project, insurance project, other NetApp. All these things are there. But I'll take one good project and I'll explain you. Maybe 1.5, 2 architecture I'll show you. But I'll explain you one project only properly with the 4 possible scenario. And if you will tell all, if you learn 4 scenario, you will be able to tell all the questions if interview will ask project related things. So, and you will be confirmed if you'll explain properly, whatever the things I'll explain, your selections will be 100% perfect. They'll be impressed with that in the starting only. Okay. Okay. Next question.
Hey Jay, forgot to ask you one question. So are you going to teach only Informatica or the IICS part as well?
Informatica only, related to ETL testing scope only.
So IICS is also a part of ETL, right?
I see the different tool. That is the different tool. Like you have Talent, Informatica, data.
No. IICS is Informatica cloud service,
No.
right?
I'm not going to teach you the cloud part because most of the company, they have not implemented cloud part. Only traditional way only they still the interview process is in traditional way only. Okay. So today the who got the offer letter also, so he was also telling the same thing. They have not asked anything. So basic of GCP I'll teach you. Okay, basic of GCP to mention you in a project. Python basic, if time permits. See, that is also paid course. Very minimum fees will be there for Python Selenium. I'm taking classes, so I'll pull you in that also. We'll have the discussion over there to how to tell all these things. So whatever the requirement is there to place you in a company, you just have to trust on me. Okay, and you will be able to get it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And Jay, which one is more in the market? Because I can see IBM, Informatica, SAP, SAS, Oracle, Warehouse. Then that open source Clover ETL is there.
If you'll see 10 openings on ETL testing, no, Mahesh. So out of 10 openings in ETL testing, 8 will be considered as an Informatica tool only. They will consider your interview on ETL, Informatica, Oracle database only. These are the common tool. And 2, you can say that Talent or Data Stage or any other tool, they will go for the other things. But these are the things are there. You don't have to worry on that. I know, like 11 years I worked on ETL testing, and I know how the market, if any new implementation will be there, immediately I'll take one session. I'll tell you that add on these things in a resume. Like I started with the Python Selenium also. So I added many people on that. And like mandatorily, they're not asking Python knowledge, but for the selection of like when you'll apply the profile in the company, they will tell you that it will go through the multiple filter operation. Okay, so HR will filter what are the skills, or then manager will filter out. So if you'll mention whatever the points, how many skills you'll mention in the resume, that much good chances of selections of your profile will be there with the manager or HR. So once your profile will be shortlisted, you will be able to attend the interview and you will be able to crack the interview. Is it clear, Mahesh?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So hope you don't have any
Thank you.
question. Yeah, welcome. Dibya, Hemant, Kavya, Nimita, Mahesh, Lakshmi, Kiran, Khushbu, Kavya. Any question? Pangraj, Purva, Praful, Rakesh, Rinku, Rupali, Samir. Any question? Anyone?
Hi, Jay.
Yeah. Please feel free to ask your question. And
Jay, once of completion, once completion of this course, how you gonna assist us regarding the placement?
see, the thing is that we will have two WhatsApp group. Okay, so one WhatsApp group you have added. Okay, and mostly by this Friday, this Sunday will filter out, like whoever will not pay the fees, will remove those people, and whoever will have the serious student, they'll be there in the class group, and we'll have the group discussion will be there. We'll have the doubt clearance sessions will be the installation process and all will be there. And once we'll complete the your full syllabus, we'll have the another group. We have the another group where whoever is searching the job, consider that
Okay.
30 people have joined this batch, and end of the course 10 people, 15 people prepare full syllabus, and then we'll pull that 15 people in one group, WhatsApp group, and there you will have again the group discussion on the high level group discussions will be there. Your resume preparation sessions will be there. Naukri profile updations will be there. Time by time, if you'll have any interviews will be there. You'll be posting your question. Other people who will be attending the interviews, they'll be posting your things. And moreover, I will help you with the openings also, because I already today also I have shared 2 openings with the group, and people they have got received the calls also. So we have contacts with the company also. So time by time they are calling if they'll have any requirement or an ETL testing, they are also calling. So provide the some good resume and all. So CGI and all, we have good contact. Okay, so those things are there, as well as if I'll get any openings, I'll tell you to forward your CV to those mail. But majorly you're going to update your profile in Naukri, Indeed, Glassdoor or LinkedIn, all these places, and from there 90% calls you will get from there only. Okay,
So we are completely dependent upon the job portals, right?
see, anywhere you go, your effort will give you the job. Not like trainers will be behind you all the time. So I'll teach you how to upload or how to prepare the resume, what are the things you have to tell in interview. But your own effort should be there. I'm not the person who will take your resume and will tell to the company, release the offer letter. It's not, it's end to end. You have to face the interview, you have to crack the interview. My full support will be there, 100% full support will be there. But as I told you, don't forget this thing, guys. 100% effort, honestly, seriously. This part. Most important things for each and every session or for full course, anywhere you join whatever course you join, your effort will be not there. You will not able to pass even though engineering also. If you are learning, if you are going for school, or if you are going for the board exam, 12th exam, your engineering exam, if you will not be serious, you will be not able to pass. So whatever the course you join, IT course or wherever you join, if you are serious, you will be the successful person. It's not like I'm just throwing some, thesis here, but this is true. Like it's 100% true. You can think logically, but No one will provide you the support what you will get from me. Your group discussion, your mock interviews, whatever the time by time motivation. Please be serious, attend the interview, take your offer letter, tell me what are the help you need, give me mock interviews, ask your doubt, all these things support what you will get from me, no? Nowhere else you will get it, 100%. You check with other person. We are receiving so many people, they are saying that they have taken the money 20, 25,000, 30,000 like this, and then they are not like the moment I paid the fees, they are not supporting at all. They are not lifting the calls. But here, not like that. If you will be calling me, if you will not lift the call, drop me a message. I'll call you back in my free time. Drop me a message in WhatsApp. We'll call you back in this, like within 1 hour, we'll call you back. And moreover, who provide the 3 people to support all this 15, 20, 30 people? We have the Venkatesh is there, me is there, your head, like man Bisal is there, who provide all these things. No one will provide you. I have also come through the 11 years of experience. I have also joined multiple courses. I have also learned so many things, but I have not seen these are the support. For that only people are joining. They are putting the effort and they are getting the job. And when we did not have the jobs openings and all in market, so I supported many people in February, March, and April and all. Many people got success. Whoever was the what is that serious, they got the job. Okay. Okay, guys. So any other question, or shall I go for the syllabus? Is that fine?
Jay, just one question regarding if my resume is based on a support side experience, and I want to convert it to ETL.
Yeah, very good question. That is very good question you have brought. I forgot to mention that. So what is the designation you got it?
Associate IT consultant. It is same for everyone, developers, testers, and all in my company.
Perfect.
So
how many years of experience you have?
I have around 7 years of experience.
Same experience will work here. You don't need any like docs and all here. You don't need. Same experience will get into the your proper IT, and this is the best way to get you a job in a IT solution. But please, just a request, this part you don't forget all the time throughout the course. People will join course and they will think that I'm going to give the recording and the session document and all. They'll not be serious in the class, and they will sometimes they will join, sometimes they will come out. Okay, and like they will think will see the recording and then will be able to get it. But you tell me, any of the Udemy course and all, so many core classes are there. How many of you have subscribed to Udemy and how many of you have completed 100% of syllabus? So recording is a not good way to go for the things. Attend the classes regularly, each and every classes. You will get the better idea. Seriousness, I want. Okay, next question, guys.
Regarding if I want to convert it to ETL testing, will it be charged or it will be included in this 8K only?
So you are going to convert your IT experience, like support experience, into this, correct?
Yes.
So see, you don't have to pay. It's included in 8K only. All support I told you, it's all things. But if you'll go for the separate things, then that is the separate. You have to pay them only. It's not me. Okay. We will be not taking that. I'll be taking this. Definitely, I'll be taking this. This is for the other person.
Got it. Got it. Thank you.
And that also, when you will get that, let me pause it and then let me explain it again. Okay, just a second. So one lady was there. Okay, so one lady was there. So she was 1997 pass out. 1997 pass out, BCom. Okay, BCom student. And she joined the classes, and then after, like, she was putting really good effort. It was unbelievable. Like 1997 BCom guys, like you will not have that much of energy to learning the things only. But she really put effort. She learned perfectly fine, and she got the offer letter for 6.5 lakhs. Okay, so she told this package is more than sufficient to, like, sort of, because she was having some family problem and she was alone only for the feed their kids and all. So she told 6.5 lakhs is more than sufficient, and I am happy with that. Okay, so it was less package, I know, but it was very helpful for her. So that's what I'm saying, that don't worry, ladies will have, women will have good benefit in the IT. Like they have the good policy for the IT for the women's employees. And if you'll come with the gap also, they know like families and all, you will be taking care of families and all. So those things are there. So for that only they are giving you the benefits also. And many companies they start the the women drive also to get you the whoever is the gap and who is having the gap and all in their career because of the family or the kids and all. So they will give you the drive, and if you will perform well, you will be able to get the job without showing any fake experience. Okay, is that clear? For women's IT is perfect. They deal with
Just I want to say that means I resigned in 2022 last year Jan, it was Jan, and this NC period is going November 21 to this year 23 it will be completed. So I thought no need to show experience. Means this period I can show MCA. So
that is also fine. I'm pursuing MCA, but like see, the thing is that Norinku, if you are doing MCA, it's a correspondence or you are going college and
no, it's a regular, but now it's going online classes.
It's online classes. So they will say you that like you are attending the classes, how will you able to work in the company? When we need 9 hours of your time, how you are to do that? So based on that, like will not show the MCA, it will not make you much difference in that. And we'll say that due to family and you are married.
Yeah.
And then we'll tell that I got married and then I took break for 1 or 2 years, and then you will be able to get it.
No, before I was working in Delhi location, and marriage time I have already 1 year's gap. So after that I joined in Bangalore location in UST Global, and then Legato Healthcare Technology.
Legato, no?
Yeah.
I was there also in UST Global.
Means after in Bangalore, my started career with UST Global only, and after that, after 1 year completed, it's rebatching with Legato. Means that was means internal procedure, right? HR commitment and management commitment.
No worries, we'll discuss that separately, Rinku. Okay. Okay. Will whatever the possible things will be there, we'll do it. Don't worry.
Okay. Because I'm applying Naukri also for right now. I want to join anywhere, and I applied Naukri also so many sites, but I did not get any job.
You will get it. I'll tell you how to apply all these things. If you'll not get calls also, I'll take care of it.
Linked also and Glassdoor also. So daily basis I'm applying.
No, it's like method also, how you are applying and all this thing.
In resume, I mentioned pursuing MCA, maybe I don't know what.
So we'll discuss that separately, Rinku. Learn this course and then we'll help you with the jobs and all. Okay, so don't worry on that. So you are HR into UST Global?
HR right now forget name.
Okay, we'll discuss that separately. Okay. Next question, guys. Thank you, Rinku. Okay, we'll discuss that separately.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Binay, you have any question, Binay?
Yeah, are you able to hear me, Jen?
It's low. Sound is low.
Okay.
You can speak louder. You are speaking a little less. So
yeah, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, okay. So I just had this question, like the number of jobs is very less, as far as I can see in these portals like Naukri and LinkedIn. So are you going to provide any kind of, are you going to share any kind of jobs from your end, or is it like we apply on the Naukri and
everything? See, that's what I told other person also. Both way communication, both way support will be there. You will also search, I will also search, and if any openings will be there, we'll throw on. We'll ask you people to share your profile. So it's a both way communication. You learn the things. Market will be good from now onwards, now opening is started from the your June onwards, and then you will have the good openings. Daily we are receiving the call, so don't worry on that.
Okay, I mean, the thing is, I do not have much experience. I mean, I'm a fresher now. I've had
Which
just
year
1
pass
year
out?
of experience. Just 1 year of experience. I'm
Which year
having
pass out you have?
2021.
2021. That's
Yeah.
fine. You will get
Yeah.
it.
So I don't want to fake any kind of experience. So I just want to get in, like.
Don't fake it. 21, no need to fake only.
Okay. So is it possible to get any many offers, or is it just a few? Like I can see just a few postings, job postings right now. So how is it? Just want to know that.
See, for freshers, the openings are little less, but
Okay.
you have to fight into that only. Correct. It's not in our hand that we'll get to your offer later and then you'll be able to start working. So for you, we'll have two things. One is ETL testing plus Python Selenium. Both the things I'll teach you, and then based on that you will get it. Because you're fresher, your energy level will be different. You will be, like you will learn, you can learn multiple things, and two things will show, and then based on that you will get the job.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So Python Selenium plus ETL testing.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, will you going to provide any course certification or certificate?
No, we don't provide certificate because we have almost all people are with the gap only. Some
Okay.
people is having this and that and all. If I'll provide you the certificate, what is the use of that? It's no use only. Correct. You are not going to show those things. And ETL testing, we don't need certificate like cloud and all. Cloud and all, you'll need certificate because to show the company and all. But ETL testing, you don't need. Okay. Okay, guys. So now it's 9:11. You want me to explain the syllabus, or you want me to explain tomorrow evening?
Can you explain today only so we can it's easy for decide? It's
Yeah,
like
please.
Okay, so hope so no one is having any question. If you'll have any question tomorrow, again we'll have 5 minute session, and then like 1.5 hour session. We'll have the question and answer session. Now let me explain the project part.